If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below. Welcome to the CHAPPAN BHOG series of Chef Lall's kitchen, where I will be making more than 100 holy food of Lord Jagannath, also known as Mahaprasad. And today we are going to be making KHIRA GAINTHA. So let's get started. So the ingredients we need are: take some fennel seeds, cloves, black cardamom and black pepper in a blender and blend to make a powder of it, from which we need about 2 tablespoons of that. Then 1 cup of rice flour, 1½ cups of sugar, then 1 cup of grated coconut, a 1/4 cup of clarified butter or ghee, half a teaspoon of salt. Now in a pan, take about 2 tablespoons of ghee followed by 1 cup of coconut, a teaspoon of powder, a pinch of salt and half a cup of sugar. Now roast this on medium flame for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes. And when this turn light golden color, remove it from the heat. Now take a pan and over medium flame add water followed by the sugar and wait till it dissolves. Then to that add the ghee, salt and the powder and mix it up really well. Now before adding the flour, lower the flame to low, then add all the flour and keeping it on low flame, continuously you need to stir it to combine them really well. And after some time you will notice the water content will be reduced, and also because of the ghee, the flour mixture will not stick to the sides of the pan, as you can see. So at this stage, switch off the flame and let it cool completely. Now take a medium sized portion of the dough and shape it like a ball first. Then flatten it into a cup so that it can hold the stuffing. Then close it and with gentle pressure give it an oval shape, just like this. Now take about 2 cups of milk, which is roughly about half a liter, and place that on medium flame. Then to that add about half a cup of sugar, half a teaspoon of powder and a pinch of salt. Now mix it up really well and let it reduce almost 2/3 of the quantity. Then to this add all the coconut stuffed balls and boil them for roughly about 4 to 5 minutes, and this should be done. And that's it, one of the Mahaprasad, KHIRA GAINTHA. So do try this at home and say your experience in the comment section below. If you have not subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button below and tap on this bell icon to get notified whenever a new episode is out. And also subscribe to my Hindi channel. The link will be in the description below.